Here's new viral app called MenuFit, healthy eating out, healthiest restaurants meals. Number one app for eating out healthy, your favorite restaurants, your goals, your meals. So, there are apps like Yuka, some others where you scan items in supermarket, in your grocery store, and you see whether it's healthy or not. Now, this is the app to do similar thing in a restaurant. We will tell you exactly what to order at every restaurant, fast food, dining, even bars. Discover the best meals, get meal suggestions, instantly find what to order, what to avoid, personalized by your preference. AI chat assistant ready to answer anything about the menu. So this is the idea. You can just see in here, and let's just install it. It's it climbs a lot. It's right now hyped to the top charts. I don't know how legit is it. Obviously they can't just track literally every restaurant and be super precise with it. And then, so for example, you can just see this is the onboarding. I'm just showing you the process. Probably they will just ask me to upgrade right away. So for example, and then there is a referral code, which some people have, and then let's just sign in. Oopsie. And then we want to try for free, so and then you can see 7 days free, then $32 per year. And then as you can see, if you do not upgrade on the first time, you will get 14 days free. So that's also a nice deal. But then that's it, you still need to upgrade. So yeah, that's what it is.